Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to install a new rear linkage on the back of the Sur Ron. And after taking a look at the stock one, I never even realized how incredibly skinny it is. So I guess it's a good thing that I haven't broke mine yet. I decided to install this new one before I break the old one, just so that I don't snap the rear shock in half. I definitely don't want to replace that. Those things are so expensive. But yeah, looking at the old one, it's incredibly skinny, but it does save weight. So it's nice to have that if you're trying to save weight. And if you don't hit jumps at all, I'm sure you don't really need one. But take a look at this thing. This thing is so beautiful. So let's take this thing into the garage. Okay guys, first you need to melt the Loctite that's on all these nuts. So find a soldering iron like this and just hold it on here right in the middle of the nut for like a minute, 60 seconds, and that'll loosen it up for you. And that loosens the bolt up so that you can undo it. And then when you're done with that one, come around to the back side and do it to that same bolt on the back. So it comes undone like that, which is nice. Leave that in there for now. Come back to the other side. Now we're gonna do that top one. This one's a little bit harder because the stuff's in the way. There you go, eventually it gets loose. And this one, you're gonna need a wrench to hold the nut on the back side. The metric 13 wrench on the back right here. Hold that on there while you undo it with the number 6 Allen wrench. All right. There is a little bit of tension on this bolt, not a whole lot, but you do have to lift up the back end of the bike a little bit like this in order to release that tension and take the bolt out. I'm gonna pull this up and try and take this old triangle thing off. Uh-oh. The new triangle does not fit over the top, so you're gonna have to take off the bottom instead. All right guys, you have to take off this entire rear assembly thing. That's the only way you're gonna get this triangle part to fit over the bottom of it, like this. And then once you put this through, then you gotta reassemble this, like this. Finally got it put on. It looks beautiful, way cooler than the old one, way more beefy and sturdy. Let's go test it out and see if it works. Guys, if you have any questions about how to install this, ask me in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.